Buttons work the same way as the text elements. Just click on the button to select it, and you'll see the options that you have to edit it. I'll click here to change the text, and edit it here. In this settings window, you can also change where the button links to. Currently, it's the Book Online page, but if you wanted to change it, click this button. You could select any one of these options, or if you wanted to change the page, that's right here. Then click Done. And then here, you can also change the button design. Here you'll see some button styles that are already created, and you can see how they look when you hover over them. Or you can go ahead and customize the design further to your liking. To make this stand out, we could change the fill color. I'll select white. And then in order to see the text, we'll need to change that. And I'll choose black. You'll see some other styling options here on the left. And you can resize the button by simply dragging. After dragging it over, I'll use the guides to move it back to the center.